So I'm actually gonna have to stand up to get this out just to be safe. I'm not sure how heavy it'll be, but okay. Pretty big. Let's see where it is. Front, okay, so this is the front. Very pretty, I love it. So that's one part. And let's see what else is in here. Here's another box that it has. Sometimes I feel like I should pre-open the boxes just to make it easier because sometimes they can be a little hard to open. But okay, so I opened it, and this one is the accessories to the gadget. So here are the mopping pads, right? And that's what fell over there. So I'll go grab that. One of these. So perfect. That will go on to the big machine, I suppose. And then here is the vacuum. And this one is also kind of big, so. Yeah, this one has a nice little thing to pick it up with, so I love that. And then here's just the box. Okay, so let's see. So that's when you open that, and then inside is the actual Roomba robot. Covered in plastic, so you gotta take that off. So pretty. So excited to try this and use it. That's the back. And again, this is the front. So it'll clean, it'll scan, and then eventually it'll dock back at the home base, which is the big machine over here. And that one will need some water for the mopping portion. And then the vacuum, we'll just need the vacuum attachments to it, and you just connect it and it's good to go. And I am all about saving time, so this is very good for me and people like me. So that's it. Bye guys.